Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're starting our first day of Sort 50, which is the short vowels for the E and the I, and we have an oddball. So the first thing we need to do is do our paper. We're going to fold our paper the long way and make our fold nice and tight. We're going to fold it one more time the long way, and again, make your fold nice and tight. Remember, the tighter you are on your folds, the better it is. Then you fold it up in half and make it nice and tight. Then you fold it up in half again, nice and tight. And one last time, remember we fold it until there's only 4 lines visible. Then we know we're right. And then we're going to hit it a little bit because we need those folds to be tight, 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 tight. All right, now that I folded it, I need you to open it up. When you open it up, you can see the lines where we folded the paper. Remember, holes always go to the left side. So when you see the lines where you folded the paper, I need you to pause the video because you're going to trace those with your pencil, pen, or marker. I already traced mine, so pause your video until you're ready for this part. Now that I've traced my lines, I'm going to be able to write down my words. And I'm going to start always with the headers, and the headers go in the clear part on the top. We only have 3 headers this time, so I'm going to not use this one that has the hole in it. My first header is the short E. I'm going to write short on top. And I know when it's short, it has the little hook on top. And then I have the short I. And I also have the little hook on top. And of course, we have to have our oddball. And we remember that the oddball is those words that don't follow the rules. So they're not a short E or a short I word. They are not a CVC pattern word. Okay, we're going to start with our words. Let me scoot that up a little bit so you can see all the words that I'm writing down. My first word is pet. And remember, when we're writing, we're going to write neatly, just like we learned in our handwriting, pet. And I hear the that's definitely short. And then I have tip, tip, definitely short I. And then I have web, web. And it makes the sound, definitely short E. Dip, dip, definitely short I. And then I have her. That E doesn't make a sound, it makes a So I think this is my oddball. Then we have the word bell, bell. And that has a short E. Yes, definitely short E. Fin, fin. It has a definitely short I. Chin. I love the wolf that, or the pig that says, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin. Definitely short I. Fill, fill, definitely short I. 10, 10, definitely short E. 10, jig, jig. Look how funny that word looks. Jig, definitely short I. Beg. The dog likes to beg for food. Beg, definitely short E. Bled. He hit his head until it bled. Bled, short E. Miss. I miss you in class. Miss. Eh, definitely short I. Let. Let me tell you, I wish you were here. Let. Eh, definitely short E. Slid. Slid. He slid on the floor. Slid. Definitely short I. All right, there you have it. I need you to cut out your words and sort them. Once you've sorted them, take a picture and post it on Class Dojo. Let me see how cool you are. See you tomorrow.